friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making our frozen ravioli bake. All we need is 3 ingredients: frozen ravioli. It's so cooling straight from frozen, no need to defrost. We also need pasta sauce and mozzarella shredded cheese. So just a package of frozen ravioli, it's 25 ounces, a jar of pasta sauce, 23 ounces, and an 7 ounce bag of shredded cheese. So first I will preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. First let's preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, while the oven is preheating, let's assemble the ravioli bake. So I'm going to open the pasta sauce and just put a little bit on the bottom of the casserole dish. So just enough to cover the bottom. You can spread it with a spoon. So this is a 9 by 13 inch dish. And now I will open a package of ravioli. And I'm going to layer half of ravioli in a single layer. So now let's cover it with half of the sauce. And half of the cheese. Let's sprinkle on half of the package of shredded cheese. And now I'm going to put the remaining half of ravioli in the top layer. If some of them are stuck together, you can just leave them like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. And so I've used up all the ravioli. And now I'm going to top it with the remaining tomato sauce. And spread it. And sprinkle with the remaining cheese. So now I've assembled the ravioli bake, and I will put it in a preheated oven. So first I'm going to also cover it with the aluminum foil. And let's put it in the oven. So let's put it in a 400-degree oven, and I'm going to bake it, cover it with aluminum foil for 20 minutes, and then uncover it and add more time. So for now, let's set the timer to 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes are up, I'm going to uncover it. So let me just remove the foil so I can take it out. Remove the foil. So at this point, the ravioli is defrosted, so we can let it finish baking. So let's put it in the oven. And I'm going to put it for 25 more minutes. Now the ravioli is finished baking. Let's take a look. It looks amazing. Hot and bubbling. The cheese is fully melted. Let me take it out. So easy to make, and it looks so delicious. What an easy dinner. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. Wow, amazing. So now let's try it. So see, it's fully cooked. Perfect. It tastes amazing. Tastes as good as it looks. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!